Ladies and gentlemen, we have 3 crowns for tonight. We have Miss Gay Tourism, Miss Gay Daet, and of course, the most coveted crown, the Miss Gay Pinyasan 2024. I wish you good luck, okay? And you have 45 seconds to answer this question. Ready? Okay, here's the final question. How will you convince a cynic that pageantry is purposeful and should be included in events such as Pinyasan Festival? Again, how will you convince a cynic that pageantry is purposeful and should be included in events such as Pinyasan Festival? Your 45 seconds starts now.
Ladies and gentlemen, I will convince a cynic that pageantry is purposeful and should be included in such a Pinyasan festival. By myself, I am here studying in front of you. Pinapakita kung ano ang meron ako. Ladies and gentlemen, hindi ko po ito ina-expect. Hindi po ako ganun kagandahan, hindi po ako kaseksihan, hindi po ako ganun kagalingan, pero naipapakita ko po kung anong meron ako sa pamamagitan ng gantong okasyon sa Pinyasan Festival. Lagi po nating tatandaan na ang isang okasyong ganito ay kailangan ng ating komunidad para sa pagkakaisa ng lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Just right in time. Thank you so much. Okay, we have candidate number 11. Hi, candidate number 11. Kumusta?
Okay naman, masaya kasi dati nasa top 10 lang ako, ngayon nasa top 5 na.
Wow, you see, it's manifesting. Okay, are you ready for your question? Okay, I will repeat the question. So how will you convince a cynic that pageantry is purposeful and should be included in events such as Pinyasan Festival? Again, how will you convince a cynic that pageantry is purposeful and should be included in events such as Pinyasan Festival? Your 45 seconds starts now.
I think the purpose of the project is to have a protest and to promote our advocacy. Like me, the very essence why I joined this Miss Gay Pinyasan 2024 is not just about my personal gain. It is about my purpose to promote SOGI Bill or anti-discrimination law. Because there are still a lot of people in my community that is battling against deprivation and discrimination. And as a SOGI Bill advocate, I believe that that should stop today. I will harness this platform to not just be a representation of my own story, but to be a representation of courage and strength. And I will dedicate my whole being to the organizer of the Miss Gay Pinyasan 2024 to not just be...
Time is up. Thank you. Candidate number 11. There you have it, our candidate number 11, representing Daet, Camarines Norte. Thank you so much. How will you convince a cynic that pageantry is purposeful and should be included in events such as Pinyasan Festival? Again, how will you convince a cynic that 45 seconds that pageantry is purposeful and should be included in events such as Pinyasan Festival? Your 45 seconds starts now.
I believe that social inclusion is so much in today's generation. That's why we should have stage and platforms like this right now in Pinyasan Festival, where we are gathering here tonight celebrating diversity and inclusivity and visibility towards the third spectrum community. I believe that this very stage is just an eye-opening for each and one of you, that we are not showcasing our talents, our beauty, our intellectual capacity, but this very stage is an object for us to speak for the causes that very close to our hearts and for the advocacies that close to ourselves. That's why I can convince them, and they should appreciate the multi-class.
Time is up. Thank you, candidate number 14. Okay, we have here candidate number 15. Kumusta ang pakiramdam? How are you doing?
I don't know what to say, pero dati pangarap ko lang maging top 5. natin po. Pero it's a bonus kasi feeling ko ang pinakasusi talaga is you have a strong connection with God. Yun talaga. Bonus na lang yung mga reward na ibibigay niya sa'yo. Thank you po.
Agree. So here is your question. How will you convince a cynic that pageantry is purposeful and should be included in events such as Piñasan Festival? Again, how will you convince a cynic that pageantry is purposeful and should be included in events such as Piñasan Festival? Your 45 seconds starts now.
I think that being Miss Gay Piñasan is someone who is really know what that title is all about. Someone who is really can inspire people and help people. I know that I can convince people that Piñasan Festival is something which is purposeful because we are not just portraying our beauty, talent, and skills, but we can inspire people. Naniniwala po ako na ang Piñasan Festival ay hindi lamang sukatan ng ganda, ngunit para ito magbigay ng kasiyahan, ng inspirasyon sa lahat.
Okay, time is over. Thank you so much, candidate number 15. Let's all welcome candidate number 16. Hi, candidate number 16.
Hello po.
How are you? How do you feel?
To be honest, I feel exhausted, but I would like to thank for the panel of the Board of Judges for making me to the top 5. Thank you so much.
You truly deserve it. So here is your question. How will you convince a cynic that pageantry is purposeful and should be included in events such as Piñasan Festival? Again, how will you convince a cynic that pageantry is purposeful and should be included in events such as Piñasan Festival? Your 45 seconds starts now.
As I ramp in the stage, as I show to all of you my beauty, my wit, and my talent, the main purpose that this Gay Piñasan should always in every fiesta, because we have a purpose, we have a causes, and most importantly, we have advocacy. And my advocacy is for elderly gay people because they need home, they need shelter, they need food. Because I always believe that no one has a right to left behind in this chaotic world. Ladies and gentlemen, what they need is the love, respect, and acceptance in this kind of world. Thank you so much and good evening.
Just right on time,